Changing your primary admin on JW Player is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the JW Player dashboard by entering your login credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make administrative changes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Select User Management. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the User Management or Team Settings section. This area allows you to view and manage all users associated with your account. Step 4. Choose the current primary admin. Identify the current primary admin from the list of users. Click on their profile to access their user settings and permissions. Step 5. Assign a new primary admin. In the user settings, look for the option to change roles or permissions. Select the new user you wish to make the primary admin and save your changes. Confirm the action if prompted. After completing these steps, the new primary admin will have full control over the account. Make sure to communicate this change with your team to ensure a seamless transition.